Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we adding some important news.
Al Riyadh RCA, the largest cricket association of the country, organized a wonderful and colorful prize distribution ceremony of Al Kharj League of RCA Winter Challenge Cricket Tournament along with the prize distribution of Riyadh Cricketers Premier League 23 to 24 RCPL on 29th November 2024 in RCA Sports Complex, in which players and fans of cricket participated in numbers, trophies and individual prizes were given to top performers. The prize distribution ceremony started with the recitation of the Holy Quran. RCA Senior Vice President Mr. Nasir Abbasi hosted the ceremony. The chief guest of this colorful ceremony was Saudi Arabia well-known all-rounder, former first-class cricketer and qualified coach Mr. Mohammad Nadeem Babar. Other RCA Executive Committee members including Mr. Ashiq Mughal, Vice President RCA, and Mr. Muhammad Akram RCA, Umpiring Committee member, and other Executive Committee members also attended this ceremony. Mr. Nadeem Babar thanked the distinguished guests and attendees. While talking to the media, Nadeem Babar paid tribute to the patron-in-chief of Riyadh Cricket Association, Prince Dr. General Abdulaziz bin Nasser bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, and said his efforts in Saudi Arabia will always be remembered in golden words and Alhamdulillah under his leadership. RCA is one of the pioneer associations in Saudi Arabia and is an affiliated member of Saudi Arabia Cricket Federation SACF. Mr. Nadeem Babar said that first-class cricket will be starting soon in Saudi Arabia. Speaking on the occasion, Senior Vice President RCA thanked all the RCA teams, players and officials for their continuous support for RCA. Earlier in the final match of RCA Winter Challenge Cricket Tournament 2024, White Stars emerged as the champions of Al Kharj League after a hard-fought final match against KFSH Blues. KFSH Blues won the toss and elected to bat first and posted a healthy total of 359 by 6 thanks mainly to Hashim, who scored a brilliant 211 not out, and Irshad Mubashir, who contributed with 80. In reply, White Star CC achieved the target in 38.1 overs thanks to a scintillating century from Nazim Khan. Others main contributors were Gulman with 80 and Salim Jafar with 58. Imtiaz but took 3 wickets, but his efforts were not enough to halt White Star CC's victory charge. Nizam Khan was adjudged as man of the match in the RCPL tournament. Lahore Sultans emerged as the champions of Huramala League and Faisalabad Wolves become runners-up. In her league, Lahore Badshah Green emerged as champions and United Kashmir CC become runners-up, whereas in the Riyadh League, AQRCC become the champions and Destroyers Cricket Club secured runners-up position.
For updates, connect with Saiban News HD.